Today we introduce the constant tension controller wiring of bar A. About the constant tension controller wiring, these two are the input voltages. They are connected to PSL and PSM respectively. These two are magnetic particle outputs. They are PA and Na. The next two are PB and MB. This is the second output. And this is the first output. The two on the side are the controls. Whether the controller is running or stopped depends on MCC and MCE. These are its detectors. These two detectors, 8 wires in total. 2 red wires and 2 black wires are the power supply. The lines are red and black. Then the signal is positive to yellow. And the signal is negative to girl. The other set of signal lines, here is connected to the positive. GRR is connected to the negative. This is its entire wiring.